Hey everybody, it's Bo here with Paint Bar Creations. Hope you're doing well today. Today, I want to show you how to wet cap my Prestige A3+R DTF printing machine. I want to show you what you need, and then I want to show you how to do it. Okay, here's what I use. Syringe to suck out some of the ink, and these swabs right here, these swabs, some wipes. This is cleaning solution, gloves, and I use a cup to pour the solution in, and a clean syringe for that, so I don't mix up the two. This container is the waste container. It goes right in here, but I take it out, and this hose right here goes in the top of this container through one of these holes, and I take one of the wipes and wrap around it to hold it in place right there while I do the cleaning and the wet cap. This is how I kind of set it up for when I do it. Got everything sitting right here, and this right here, we're gonna have to move this. So how we do that is mash this middle button right here, and it starts blinking. You'll see it moving back and forth like that, and then you just take your hand and you're able to move it over like that. And then that right there, right down in there, let's see if I can get closer. Right there is what we gotta clean, and right here we gotta raise it up. I'll show you that here in a minute. It's a little wiper we gotta clean, and then right here is where we gotta put the new cleaning solution. We gotta keep putting it in there, sucking it out. Hopefully you can see me. I'm gonna pull this right here, pull it this way, like that right there, and take this. See that wiper right there, right here, to lift it up. See how dirty it is? I'm going to have to clean that. Then you can let go of that. I'll take some of this cleaning solution, dip that in there. Kind of wipe over it like this. See how dirty that gets? Okay, then I take a dry one, go back over it. Okay, I forgot to show you these lint-free cotton wipes. Take one of them, wipe over it, clean it like that, and then you can pull this back and let that wiper back down, let go. Now we take the syringe and squirt right in here. Take the other syringe, I don't know if you can see it, sit down in there, suck it up just like that, and put it in this container. And the more you do it, you'll start seeing white ink come up to the surface. That's because there's something extra that's in the white ink, and that's why on this particular machine it has a automatic stir, which I like that, to keep it stirred up. Otherwise it'll start separating and it won't work as well. And I take these little Q-tip swabs, dip it in solution, and I go right in these cracks right here, kind of clean those. Just to get out from around it. You can see how dirty that is. Then I'll take a clean one, a dry one, go back through it. See? But I also would take one and just go underneath here, dip in the solution again, and then go underneath, get what I can there. See how more clear that solution is? Now watch when I suck this part up. See, it ain't as black and dingy as it was. So just fill that up right there. Leave it in there like that. Put this container back here. And we're going to stick this hose back in that container in the back. Okay, that's all for that. We got that in there, got it clean, got fluid back in it. Alright, once that's locked in, we gotta clean this right here. That's just a wipe, one of those wipes I showed you. And we take that one out, put a new, fold it up, put a new one in. And that way that area will be clean. That's where the printing head disperses some of the waste ink. So we'll do that next. All right, here we go. We're just gonna take this. See how dirty that gets. You just take a wipe, clean it out best you can. All right, see? And just place this one in there. You don't want it just hanging over the edge. You gotta mash it down best you can. You don't want it getting caught on the print head, anything like that. So mash it down on the corners, the sides, in the middle. All right, now it's fresh and clean over there. And to close this top here, this right here, you just pull forward and it lays down. And just little clips right here, like that, like that. All right, hope you enjoyed that video. Weight capping the Prestige A3+R. If you have any more questions, put them in the comments down below. Thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, love to have you. This is Bo with Paint Martin Creations, and everything that I'm using will be in the description box below too. It'll be a good beginner machine if you're thinking about doing DTF t-shirts. Thanks again, have a great day.